Soft, fluffy, and packed with protein, these muffins are perfect for meal prep or a healthy snack. Made with simple, clean ingredients that keep you full and energized. Oats, eggs, Greek yogurt, protein powder, a touch of sweetness, and warm cinnamon. Blend until smooth and creamy. This is the base that makes them soft and satisfying. Pour the batter into a muffin tray and add blueberries or chocolate chips on top. Bake until golden, fluffy, and perfectly set. High protein, naturally sweet, and perfect for busy mornings. Save this recipe and make healthy eating simple.